Nike Vomero Premium Chalk Pearl Ivory White is a refined sneaker that combines performance, comfort, and everyday style. It features a clean chalk pearl ivory colorway that delivers a premium and modern look. The textile upper uses a high-quality, three-dimensional weave that feels lightweight yet durable, offering support while maintaining breathability. A subtle, monotone Nike swoosh on the side keeps the design minimal and balanced. The sleek sole lines enhance the silhouette, while the midsole is built for both style and function. Nike's air cushion technology, visible through a transparent unit, provides responsive cushioning for walking and running while adding a unique design detail. Underfoot, the rubber outsole offers reliable traction with a finely textured pattern for stability on urban surfaces. Known for long-lasting comfort and performance, the Vomero line continues its legacy here. This premium edition stands out for its versatility, making it easy to pair with casual, active, or everyday outfits.